Damn right, I'm beautiful. I love Jeffree Star, and I'm his biggest fan. You bitches! Don't go there. I am gorgeous too. So fuck off. What? I think I heard something. Damn right. I need some lip gloss. I'm too lazy to walk. Some lip gloss. I'll be right back. Keep that rolling. Stop canceling my vagina. I'll be back. Be right back. Gorgeous I am. Do you like that?
Yes, I am a dirty girl.
Oh, yes? You don't need them lip gloss.
I love you.
What's this? Need more lip gloss? Yes? Told you I'm gorgeous. I'm psycho! You know, people, I need to be talked to. I love you. I need more friends. I need more friends. Now, you want to add me? What the hell? What are you doing? What the fuck? What is this? What is this? That's it. What's that? What is this? What is this? What is this? Sorry, I just have stress. Bye. What's this? What is that? What is this? Stop at me! Stop it! I have emotions! You understand me? Emotions! Emotions! What the hell? Emotions! Emotions! I have emotions! Get the hell out of my face now. I'm gorgeous. I'm gorgeous. I'm gorgeous. Cut. Oh, stop. Okay. Gorgeous. Damn right.
You better stop it.
I'm crazy. Oh, is my makeup smeared? Okay, shut it off. What the fuck is on my face?